The following is a lecture given by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on October 2nd, 1968, in Seattle.
Govindam Mahadiparisham Tamaham Bhajami. Govindam Mahadiparisham Tamaham Bhajami. So, our program is to worship the original Supreme Personality of Godhead, Govind. This is Krishna consciousness movement. Find out who is the original person. Naturally, everyone is anxious to find out the original person of a family, original person of a society, original person of a nation, original person